Okay, what I'm doing today is the immunocomb, and it is a series of 4 tests from Agdia, and these are the strips. And so, cucumber mosaic virus, impatiens, necrotic spot virus, tomato spotted wilt virus, and tobacco mosaic virus. And you crush up the leaves in these packets, and until you get a little bit of a residue there. There's a buffer in there, and then you let it sit for a little bit, and then put the comb in. And if they develop 2 stripes here, then you have the virus. This is the control for the things, for the tests. So impatiens, necrotic spot virus tends to kind of fail a little bit, not terribly much, but anyway, there's some diagrams, so you can see the virus is lower than the control, and that tells you whether or not you have the virus.